Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow, Walaikum Assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, sis?
I am good and you?
I'm well, please be seated.
Thanks. How's your family?
Alhamdulillah, good. And how is your family?
Alhamdulillah, good. What are you doing?
Doing nothing, just thinking about our area, Malaysia.
Area Kalishak, what do you mean?
I mean education, healthcare facilities, and development of Malaysia.
MashaAllah, what a great thinking.
Alhamdulillah, being a student, it's my duty.
Your duty?
Of course, people are unaware, they don't know their values.
Oh yeah, you are right.
How is your environment, sis?
Same.
What do you mean, Sam?
I mean problems and issues are same.
You're right, my dear. A small term of Nasrullah Gidan is great loss of Pakistan.
May Allah bless him.
Ameen. Let's go to Amna song.
Yes.